Welcome to Ceres Fruit Processors. In short, our main goal is to take Mother Nature's natural goodness to produce fruit and vegetable juice, concentrates and purees that add both flavorful and wholesome value to different consumer products. Here at CFP, we have the following departments: finance, marketing, quality, engineering, production, human resources, and fruit logistics.
My name is Anton Reinecke and I'm the Managing Director of Ceres Fruit Processors. Our vision is to be the preferred partner for fruit concentrates and purees in South Africa. We strive towards this vision via 3 values. That is respect, integrity, and commitment. And we believe that these values should be a way of life for each employee in this company.